Hey guys, I'm going to jump right into this 3-ingredient s'mores pastry, and what you are going to need are square-shaped marshmallows, some snack-size Hershey's. You can use the big one, but the snacks make it much more easier to do the proportions, and these puff pastry sheets, which you can find by the frozen pies near the ice cream. So the pastry sheets obviously come in sheets, so I cut it in half hot dog style, and then after that I cut it into thirds so it has that square shape. Then you are going to take 2 of those and you're going to lay one flat, and you're going to put your square marshmallow in there, and then you're going to put your chocolate on top. I cut my marshmallows in half, but when I was eating it at the end, I thought I should have just left it full because I didn't really get as much marshmallow flavor as I would have liked to. It does look a little intimidating at first because it's kind of hard to put that pastry sheet on top of the marshmallow and the chocolate, but they do have some stretch there, so just as much as you can stretch, do that, because you're going to take that fork and push it along the sides to kind of make it look like flattened and actually look like it kind of looks like a ravioli in my opinion. So that's the kind of vibe you're going for these bad boys. And then after that, all you have to do is just set your oven to 350 degrees and you let it cook for 15 minutes. And bada bing, bada boom, you have yourself some easy s'mores pastries. Now, I hope you guys liked this quick and fast tutorial today, and I hope you come back for more. And if you want to come back for more, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And whether you do or whether you don't, I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day. Bye-bye.